Good morning children. Today I am going to explain about 10th standard arithmetic progressions. So first I want to explain about a sequence. A list of numbers having specific relation between the consecutive terms is generally called a sequence. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Next term to a term is obtained by adding 2 with it. So then another example 2, 6, 18, 54 dash dash next term to a term is obtained by multiplying 3 with it. So means here in example 1, 3, 5, 7. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So the common difference in between all the terms is constant. That is called common difference. Here in second example 2, 6, 18, 54 is there. So if you want to get next term, you want to multiply 3 to the previous term, then you will get the next term. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54 dash dash. And next we'll go for arithmetic progression. If various terms of a sequence are formed by adding a fixed number to the previous term, or the difference between two successive terms is a fixed number, then the sequence is called AP. So how we can differentiate, how we can define the AP if various terms of a sequence are formed by adding a fixed number to the previous term. Previous means before term. The difference between two successive terms is a fixed number. That fixed number is called the common difference. Then the sequence is called AP. Here example is there 2, 4, 6, 8 dash dash. The sequence of even numbers is an example of AP. So how you can get the example 2, 4, 6, 8. Here 2, 4, 6, 8 all the even numbers. So you can subtract 4 minus 2, you will get 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2. So 2 is the common difference. So like that second example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. is there. In this each term is obtained by adding 5 to the preceding term. Preceding term means before term. So 5 means 5 plus 5 you will get 10, 10 plus 5 you will get 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25. So this common thing is 5. That common number is called common difference. So next we will go for illustrative example for AP. So how to write the general terms of an AP? So first we want to take D. D is equal to 1 smiley face, where D is equal to 1 smiley face I said. So this is called first term of the AP, and this is A, and you should add 1 D to the second term, means previous term. D to the previous term, you will get second term A plus D. So like that 1A plus 2D, 1A plus 2D will get the third term. So this is A, these two are D's. 2 D's you add, then you will get third term. Like that fourth term A, so then you can add 3 D's. So then you will get fourth term. Like that you can get last term also. That last term we can explain as A plus n minus 1 into D. So here this is the general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D dash dash. This is the nth term. Nth term means A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is called the common difference. Common difference. So next we'll go for next slide, that is common difference. What is common difference? The fixed number which is obtained by subtracting any term of AP from its previous term. Previous means before term. If we take first term of an AP as A and common difference as D, then nth term of that AP will be represented as and denoted as AN. So that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of an AP. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And we'll go for next slide. So that is example 3, 7, 11, 15, 19 dash dash. So in this first term we can write it as a 3 and common difference as 4 d. So see here 7 minus 3. How to find out common difference means second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, fifth term minus fourth term, like that. So here 7 minus 3 we got 4. Notice in this sequence that if we find the difference between any term and the term before it, we always get 4. 4 is then called the common difference and is denoted with the letter D. So to get to the next term in the sequence, we would add 4. So a recursive formula for this sequence is, so here we want to get the next term, means for example a4, I think a4 is equal to an minus 1 means a3 plus 4, then you will get a4. So you should add common difference to the previous term, you will get next term. After successive term you will get preceding term and successive term. This is the first term in the sequence would be a1. We are always representing first term is a1, but usually we are writing that as a, which is sometimes just written as a, like that we are writing. So always we are not going to write a1, so we are writing a. So next is 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Here d is equal to 4. So I said no, a is equal to 3. So each time you want another term in the sequence, you add d. So this would mean the second term was the first term plus d. The third term is the first term plus d added twice. The fourth term is the first term plus d plus d plus d, like that add 3 times. So you can see to get the nth term, we would take the first term and add d into n minus 1 times. So here is the general form, means this is the nth term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we want to do one example. Try this to get the fifth term. a5 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 into 4 is equal to 3 plus 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. So this is the example for nth term. Next, let us see another example. Let a is equal to 2, d is equal to 2, n is equal to 12, find an. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a value 2, n value 12 minus 1 into d value 2. So 2 plus 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 into 2, 2 plus 22 is 24. So nth term, that itself a12 is 24. So this is the example for nth term. And another example, 2, 4, 2, 6, 8, 14, 10, 14. Here first term a is equal to 2, find the differences in the next term. So how to find out the differences? Here 2, 6. 2, 6 means second term minus first term. Second term is 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And a3 minus a2, that is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. a4 minus a3 is equal to 4. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. Here 4, 4, 4. All are same since the differences are common. Hence the given terms are in AP. So next problem. Find the value of k for which the given series in AP. So 4 k minus 1 12. Solution, given AP is 4 4. Find the value of k for which the given series is in AP 4, k minus 1, 12. Solution: given AP is to 4, k minus 1, 12, etc. If series is AP, then the differences will be common. D1 is equal to D1 because common differences are same. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Now substitute A2 value. A2 is k minus 1 minus 4A1 and A3 12 minus of k minus 1, that is A2. Now simplification: k minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 12 minus of k minus 1 means 12 minus k, minus into minus plus 1. Now k, this k will come in the left hand side, that will become plus k, is equal to 12 plus 1 transpose minus 5 right hand side plus 5. So k plus k2k is equal to 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 5 18. So 2k is equal to 18, k is equal to 18 by 2. So value is 9. And then next sum, go for next sum. The sum of n terms. So we don't know that formula. Sum of n terms we find as sum is equal to n into first term plus last term divided by 2. Now last term will be a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that. Therefore, sum of n terms is equal to n into a plus a2 a plus n minus 1 into d divided by 2. Now n by 2 into a plus a2 a plus n minus 1 into d. This is minus, not plus. And then we'll go for one problem. Find the number of terms of AP 100, 105, 110, 115, dash dash up to 500. So here first term is A 100, nth term 500. Common difference want to find out second term minus first term. 105 minus 100 is equal to 5. Nth term is, that is last term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now nth term already we know that 500 is equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into d value 5. 500 transpose 100 left hand side, that will become minus 100 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. So 400 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. So 5 into n minus 1 is equal to 400. So that sum will be continued in the next slide. I will explain. 5 into n minus 1 is equal to 400. So n minus 1 is equal to 400 divided by 5. N minus 1 is equal to 80. N is equal to 80 plus 1. So n is equal to 80. 81. Hence the number of terms are 81. 81 terms are there in the given AP. And next problem, find the sum of 30 terms of given AP 12, 20, 28, 36 dash dash. For that solution, given AP is 12, 20, 28, 36. The first term is 12. The common difference is 20 minus 12, 8. The sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You know that number of terms. How many terms are there? 30 terms are there in the given AP. So yes, 30 want to find out. So now first we want to write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So of means 1 by 2 into number of terms 30 into 2 into a value 12 plus 30 minus 1 into 8. 2 15s are 30. 2 12s are 24. 30 minus 1 29 into 8. So next calculation is in next slide. 15 into 24 plus 232 is equal to 15 into 246, 3690. The sum of terms 3690. And next problem, find the sum of terms in given AP 2468 up to 200. Its first term is A2, common difference D4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So an value already they given 200 is equal to 2 plus n value number of terms. Number of terms we want to find out. So write as it is n minus 1 into 2, d value 2. 200 transpose 2 left hand side, that will become minus 2. Then 2 into n minus 1. 200 minus 2 is 198. 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 198. N minus 1 is equal to 198 divided by 2. 2 nines are 18. So we'll get 99. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. 99 will come. So n is equal to 99. This one will come right hand side. That will become plus 1 is equal to 100. Number of terms in the AP is 100. And sum also want to find out. The sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is Sn. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S 100 is equal to 100 by 2 into 2 plus 100 minus 1 into 2. 2 50s are 100. 2 2s are 4. 100 minus 1 99. 99 2s are 198. So 50 into 4 plus 198 202. So we'll get 10,100 is the answer. This is sum of 100 terms. So this is your AP explanation. So if you do more sums on the basis of formulas, nth term and also Sn, so you can get the answers. So try it all the exercises sums once again and practice. Thank you all. Thank you very much.